Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to create a subdomain in Hostinger. So first of all guys, what I will need you to do is simply go to Hostinger. So from here, you will search for Hostinger. And though what I'm going to do is simply go to here to buy a domain name, which is simply easy. And basically, when you buy a domain name only, you will not have actually the access to have the subdomain. So how we can actually get the creation of subdomain for our domain name? That's what I'm going to show you. So when you buy the domain name, go to hosting and just try to get the most cheapest thing that you can get. For example, you have one domain name and you want to create one subdomain for it. You can go to single web hosting. Here you will have where is it? I will go all the way down and it will be somewhere around here, which is the domain name, subdomain. I really missed it. I can see it, so I'm going to click all features, and here it is. So as you can see here, two subdomains. So here with this hosting feature or plan, I can get two subdomains. In order, for example, here you can get 100 subdomain with only $1 more. So here with $2 and this one for $3. So after you get these two things, what you have to do is click on login and simply you can go to your domain, and here as you can see, if you didn't buy it from there, you can just buy it from here. So let's say for example you want to get this one, just click on select, get it for 1 month for example, and here you choose the payment method and you buy it. So now what, let's say that you have bought it and everything set it up, go to your domain name and here, so you see this empty button over here, it will appear for you to create a subdomain. So from here you can just click here to create a subdomain and it will be created. Of course, when you get the hosting, you will be able also to create an email for your website using this thing, which is gonna be free at this moment. Now because I don't have really the hosting, I'm not really capable of buying it. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you guys for watching.